Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Lyles, aka Moto Bro. Today we're on the Ferrari Mantis X and we're about to meet up with the homie with the SURRON, the boy Jacob, and we're gonna have some fun today. But before we get into the video, today's video is sponsored by AliExpress. So shout out AliExpress for hooking it up, sponsoring today's video. So let's get into it. All right, let's pop her up real quick. Bop, 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 bop. Here, oh, get a little swervy derby. Woo, they call me Swervy Derby out here, brother. I mean, bro, look at this view. We got a beautiful view. Let me pull it up real quick. Tuner. Woo, bro, I'm loving my tune, bro. Let's go. Oh, the road. The road just took in, or the sidewalk just ends right there, bro. Bro, that was a sick little jump I hit right there, bro. Even the construction guy was grinning, bro. Alright, we're about to meet up with the homie. He should be at the end of the street. Before we do that, let's freaking swag out a little bit. A little swerve. Woo. We swervy McDerby over here, brother. Alright. Knee knock. Pop over. Foot down. Over. Hop down. Hop back up. Oh. We're in there, brother. Stand up. Bro, that's what I'm saying. The tune, bro. When I didn't have the tune on the bike, I was not able to do all that, bro. That regen, engine braking, is just incredible. Look at this, bro. Slow it down. It's so sick, dude. That regen is just incredible. Alright, gang, so I got a few products from AliExpress, so let's check them out right now. One of them I'm actually super excited about because it's for this bike right here. Alright, but first things first, it is a little bright out here. I think it's time for some AliExpress shades, brother. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at these, bro. These are so clean. And to be honest, bro, the quality ain't that bad, bro. These are so cheap. Like, AliExpress got so many products for such like a discounted price. I think these were like $1.99. $1.99, and you know glasses, like at least me, I break them all the time. So for some cheap glasses that are actually quality, I can dig it, bro. Bro, the next thing we have, which I am flippin' stoked about, is check this out, bro. This is like a YALL monster hoodie. Let me pop it on, bro. Bro, and it fits perfect, bro. This is why I dig AliExpress. Is like, you're paying way cheaper for products, but the quality is pretty much just as good, bro. Like, for any hoodie I have, I think this is, if not the same or better, bro. Like, look at this. Another thing we got, which I am stoked about because I'll be able to put these on this electric bike right here. Bro, look at these, dude. Look. Bro, these are sick. And like, you can hear it, bro. They're legit. Like, these are like $50 pegs, bro. But on AliExpress, I think they're like $22. These are the stock pegs, which ain't bad at all, to be honest. For the Ferrari Mantis X, these ain't bad. But look, now we just got some bigger things with some actual spikes to hold us in. And I also have one more product I want to show you. It wasn't able to ship in time, but it is a helmet, so I'll put it on the screen right now. This helmet is modular, so as you can see, it's going to be sick. As you know, I switched to modular helmets about a year ago. I'm in complete love with it. Just being able to put the face mask up and get that fresh air is such a big difference. So I'm super excited to receive that. It sucks I wasn't able to get it in time for the video, but in the future, you'll definitely see me rocking that helmet. AliExpress, if you guys want a product yourself or just want to look at some products, I'll have a link in the description down below. You could check it out. I also try to get a discount code, so if I have a discount code, boop, it's right on the screen and it will be down below also. But man, I am I'm shocked with these products, man. They are, I always think like, oh, AliExpress, like, oh, this is gonna be trash, non-quality products, but, so yeah, check out AliExpress in the link down below, and let's get back to the video. Take the stairs. Oh my God, I might have a flat. Yes, sir. The boy Jacob outside with the bruised knee, still getting after it. Bro, right when you did that, you gave it some throttle. You're like, that was scary though. Further back, further back, further back, further back. So you can go way further than that. I know it's scary, but you're right at the point where if you like go back, you'll be at like perfect balance. Palms are sweaty, knees on spaghetti. But you can just control it with the brake, like. You're right below it, bro. Really? Yeah, bro, like, you're like this. And you gotta be here. You're right at like that balance point, but you gotta go right above it to coast it, you know? To where you can slow the bike down. Yeah, try it uphill, it might be a little easier.
Oh, wow, that was a good coast.
Yeah. Coast that bad boy. Tiny bit more gas. Yeah! You're getting it, bro. Let's go. What's good, bro? What's good, bro? How you doing?
Good.
Pop it up, let's see something. It's a little dark, but maybe we'll get something in here. Alright. We'll get a little swervy on the mountain bike. Let's go. What kind of bike is that?
LH1.
What is it?
The collective LH1.
The collective. Ah, okay. Hell yeah.
200, but the little hairy version.
Yeah. I know what you're talking about.
More.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like,
I needed that.
if you practice that 1 or 2 days, once you like get comfy in it, you're gonna be like, you'll start to feel it, and you could go further and further back, and you'll be fine. But hey, brother.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you, bro. You guys be easy. All right, brother.
72 volt. There you go.
72, yeah. His is like modded, way faster. This is just stock. All right, y'all be easy.